Hello. Hey, remember when I was like, yeah, I'll be on tomorrow morning quickly? You said yesterday. And then, of course, I wasn't on this morning. But I'm here now. That's what counts, right? I'm not gonna fish today. Okay? I'm just throwing that out there now. I'm not doing any fishing today. I like to at least get some each day, but it's just not today. Not feeling like it. I'll get some tomorrow, I think. Yeah. What did I say? I said there's a couple different ways things could go. So yeah, it's a different week. Normally I do, if I'm doing a quick early morning stream, I'll do a Sunday night stream, but this time it's all whack. So, tomorrow I'll stream in the morning, around like 10 or something, which is what I normally do on a Monday. Okay, and then on Monday, I know this is crazy, I'm going to stream at 9. Now this is okay. There is an implication here, and that is when I actually start streaming on Monday, because visitors can leave depending on what time it is. If it's after 10 p.m., anyone who's in the plaza will be gone, and I won't be able to determine anything. Honestly, I won't be able to get anything out of that. I say this because before I could at least like predict who would be here and when, but they changed everything, and I still don't really know how it works. So yeah, I don't know. I gotta depending on when I'm gonna be on, I'll go on with my other character to check at the very least. And if I'm too late to buy the stuff from Harv's, I can always do that Tuesday. Wouldn't be a big problem. Just slightly different schedule-wise. But yeah, so that's gonna be that. I will be on tomorrow morning, as I said, and I will catch some fish then. I don't know, some. Not like tons, but enough. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna do, like, I was supposed to do a quick stream today, so I'm still doing a quick stream, just later, so blah blah blah, whatever, it's all good, doesn't matter. That's that. Keep it going. Yeah, I don't know. We're doing things quickly. I don't know. I don't really have much to say. I'm just here. I'm not fishing. And fishing's like the main thing I do nowadays. So like, what am I? I just show up. I look at the stores. I say, oh look, there's that thing I need. Or I say, oh look, there's a thing I don't need. Which is what I often say, obviously. Oh, I'm in a bit of a situation here, aren't I? It was raining yesterday, right? It's actually pretty easy. I was afraid I was going to have trouble finding them, but I didn't. And if I didn't find them, I probably would have missed out on one, so it's a good thing I did. Garbage. I'll go on later for KK. I'm not gonna wait around for him. Like I said, quick stream, so yeah. Great, cool. Continuing on, we'll see who's in the campsite. Don't really need to worry about selling things today, do I? So I won't, and then I'll just continue on. The fun thing to note about yesterday is that I got the last apparel shop exclusive clothing item, which is cool. I suppose I could actually change the themes to try to... No, I don't want to bother with that. I don't think it's worth it. That's Kabuki? New? It's one of the new ones, I think. Unless I'm mixed up and I'm thinking of something else. I think I'm thinking of something else. I'm gonna rescind what I just said. I've rescinded it. I'll take a fake statue. Let's go. That's exciting. Alright, cool. That works for me. I'm happy with that. Let's head over to the DLC and wrap things up here. I know I'm not saying much, but I don't know. It's March. Yeah, we're nearly at the 2-year anniversary. I guess we'll get some sort of decorative cake in the mail if we're lucky. I don't know if we will or not. I'm confused. We got a first anniversary cake. I don't know if there will be a second, or there'll be a second anniversary something else. You know, if it was like the old games, I did think like, oh, there's a full anniversary set. Or something. But I don't think that's what we're going to be seeing here. So. Anyway, let's just get this stuff and wrap it up, like I said a bunch of times. Got a lot of gaming to do tonight. Yeah. What is this? Anything? We haven't had a new recipe in days. And that will continue. It's been a very long time. Alright, well, I'll wrap up. I'm gonna just put stuff away in storage here, and then I'll end. Where are we? The 15-minute stream. That's kind of what we can do. Unless I start skipping Captain's song, or just skipping him entirely, we're not going to be able to really do our dailies in less than that. And this is without fishing, right? So we're going to put all this stuff away, put that away, that away. Great. Cool. So that's it. Did I do anything of interest today? Not really. We did the dailies and we didn't get anything. We had a campsite villager today, and I got a bad fortune. So maybe I can get something new tomorrow. That would be sweet. Who knows? But apart from that, yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow morning. Then I'll do Monday night, and I'll do some fishing tomorrow. I didn't do much yesterday. I didn't do any today, but that's fine. I'm not... Like I said, I'm taking it slow so I don't do silly things. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'm out of here, and I'll see you around.